Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and I don't know what has happened to the page but I'll cover it. So we are going to draw an Ariel today, children. You know what is an Ariel, correct? Ariel was a mermaid, was or is a mermaid, I don't know. So let's begin. So to make the Ariel, what we'll do is first we'll divide the page into half. ऐसे ही अपने मन से, अपने मन से we'll divide the page into half. Now what we will do is make a big anda. Okay, we'll make a anda. Now why is our purpose of dividing the page into half is that we should make it symmetrical, correct? This should be equal to this. So we made a big anda, step number 1. And step number 2, we made a small u. In comparison to the anda, the u should be a little small. Now, this is first step, this is the second step, then the third step is to take a curve here and a curve here. Can you see these two brackets which we have made? After making the brackets, we come out and we make a big undo here, and we come out and make a big undo, thoda sa aisa. Okay, it's like an S which we have made. And then what we have to do is this S ka poochad we have to make it big and come here, and this again we have to take a turn and come here. So what is the first step is to make the anda, the second step is to make the U, the third step is to make this S. If you can see, this is an S with a big, and this is a ulta S like that. After that, what we do is make two leaf-like structures. So you make one aisa. This is the third step, okay, children? Aisa. And then you come down here and you come down here, okay? Have everybody understood till here? Now, what is the other step is from here. See, can you see this part from here? You come down. And you see this curve part we have made from here you come down, and then you make a angle like that and you join like that. Similarly, from here you come down, from here you come down, you make a angle and you join here. Okay, so these will be the two hands of our Ariel. Okay, मैं ना थोड़ी देर में देखती हूँ कि मेरा वीडियो ऑन है कि नहीं है, नहीं तो आई गेट वेरी टेंस्ड अप, बहुत डर लगता है मेरे को वीडियो ऑन नहीं होगा तो. ओके, नाउ अभी ये हम लोग ने सिमेट्रिकल लाइन मारी है. ये सिमेट्रिकल लाइन के थोड़ा इधर से वी हैव टू टेक अ टर्न, कम हियर एंड गो बैक, एंड फ्रॉम हियर यू हैव टू टेक अ टर्न, कम हियर एंड गो बैक. ओके, आफ्टर दैट जो ये गो बैक हुआ है ना, तो हम लोग ने जो ये अंडा बनाया ना, उससे हम लोग का थोड़ा सा ये बड़ा हो जाएगा. Okay, this will become a little bigger than what we had made initially. Abhi, after this, what we are going to do is, from here, we'll make a zigzaggy hair, which goes here, and it comes back here, and then again goes here. This is the hair, okay, children? Then again, we have to make the zigzaggy hair, which goes out, comes in here, and then here. Okay? Now this is done. Fine. अभी उसमें से जो rubbing out करना, we will do it at last. This much is clear. After this much, again we are going to take the center part here, children. After taking the center part, we are going to draw one anda here and one anda here. Okay, after drawing this one anda, we will take this way. It is like a shell which we are going to make. A shell. Okay, so a shell. And here we are going to make a patta, come back, patta, come back. Okay. After doing this, we are going to put a flower here, a typical, because this is the Ariel. We cannot do anything according to our wish. This is how the cartoon is. And since the cartoon is like that, we have to do exactly the way our Ariel looks. Okay, we cannot do apni man marji ka. After this, again, have everybody understood this? After this, what we are going to do is write a U pattern here and a little U pattern here. That's it. Nothing more than this. After that, we make the eye. Now to make the eye, what we do is make a circle, Okay, then the 2 eyelashes go here, 2 eyelashes go here, and we have one Nargundu inside and Nargundu inside. Okay, after that, exactly at the center we have the smile, okay, and the tongue. Is this clear? And just below the eye here there will be, just put this light because we're going to color it. Okay, it is the shine on her cheeks. Now the Ariel ke bubbles will come. Correct. Let's draw some bubbles. And Ariel की एक बहुत ही favorite fish थी, वो भी हम बनाएंगे. Okay, so the fish is very simple to be made, children. So what you are supposed to do is just draw a oval. After drawing the oval, what you're going to do is just draw 2 eyes, 1 smile, and 2 fins like things over here. Now from here you will go up and come back. See, this is little teda. Remember that. From here you will have this. Then the between part will be rubbed. Rubbing part all we'll do later on. Here you will have 1 fin. Then typically there are only 2 parts like that here. And there is a heart shape here. You remember the fish? This fish, I don't know the name of the fish. I used to watch this, you know, when my daughter was small, and I used to watch this cartoon, and somebody had asked me to make Ariel, so I was all the more excited to make Ariel. Abhi jo niche hai, niche ka part, this we have made the water part and Ariel is swimming inside here. So what we will do is, we will make a few weeds, seaweeds with a little patthar, like how you find in the ocean. Okay, few stones with few weeds. We will not do much. So you just have to write a ulta pattern. That's it. A little seaweeds here and there. We're not going to make it very complicated because this drawing is for Machinomonos. No complication, and then we will rub the between part. Our area, there are certain parts to be rubbed, which I will say. ये जो खोपड़ी हमने की थी, that part has to be rubbed. Okay, and then this few, you're understanding the U which we made, and then we gave the shape. So that has to be rubbed. Now we'll quickly do the marking part of it. We can use a marker, we can use a sketch pen, but I'll use a marker because I'm not going to use a sketch pen. I'm going to do a little bit of coloring in it. Our Chinominos, tell Mummy Papa to give you a little color because I'm dead sure. But if you all are using paints, please make sure that you all don't use sketch pens, because if you all use sketch pens, it will get honky ponky. Okay, so the flower is turquoise color. Now turquoise color is a, let's see which color. I do not have a turquoise color. Let's see what we will do. Now this is the hair. In simple steps, children, please make Ariel and post it on canvas and scissors. And hey children, are you taking part in the what do you call world record? If yes, please send a hi on the given number in the description box. I will send you the link where you have to fill the form. Okay, any inquiries, you can call us, you can disturb us, but we'll not get disturbed because this is a job. You have to submit the entries before 15th of April, children, because 15th of April, after that we will have a logo of the official attempt of the world record printed on your photos, and then we will also be having a full recorded video which we'll be playing on the social media for 7 hours, and we'll let you know when your turn comes. So very excitement. I am very excited because this is giving an opportunity not only for you to get the name, fame. It's a world record, children. It's not a small thing. So get geared up. Don't miss this opportunity. This is a golden opportunity which is coming your way, and I don't think so you all should give any chance. You know, my battery is gone low and I'll have to just stand up and okay, I'll do the marker part. I'll put the my phone on charging, and then we'll start with the coloring part. Okay, let's do the marker part quick. Just put the name of this fish, name of this fish in the comment box, because I have forgotten this name of this fish. Okay, I'm not doing this because this is just for your reference that we have done. We're just going to put a little pink over there. Now what I'll do is I'll rub the entire part on which I haven't gone, and then we will start with the coloring part. It's a simple drawing for my chunumunus. Please do make it and post it on Canvas and Scissors. I die to see it. I know बहुत सारे schools में exams चालू हो गए, इसलिए वो response नहीं आ रहा है. And now children, in our Facebook from this month onwards, we will put numbers on the best drawing of the child. Suppose a child has sent 15 to 20 drawings. We will put the numbers and we'll be putting it on YouTube, and then you all have to just comment. You will have to ask someone to comment, because when we give the prizes, there are some parents who get. First we used to do a voting type, but now sometimes the parents get this cake. How come only this child is getting? So we have planned a different thing. I will just mention everything on Canvas and Scissors. Just give me a second. I will just put my iPhone on charger and come back. Okay, so I'm back, and it's a very simple coloring, no shadings. Much shadings we will do, definitely some shading, but thodi kam shading hogi. So I've taken my tint color, that is the skin color, children, and we'll quickly do the entire skin. Okay, but before doing the skin, let's put a little bit of pink. I had put a small roundy here and a small roundy here. So just make those small roundies, and then you can put your pink, skin tint color. Here we do not do any shading. नहीं तो हम लोग हमेशा ऐसे करते हैं ना, ऑरेंज डालते हैं, फिर स्किन डालते हैं, फिर वाइट डालते हैं शेडोज के लिए. इधर नहीं करना है, बिकॉज it is not like that. You have to do it the way it is. So there is hardly any. Yes, the water has a good amount of shading, so we'll do shading there with paints. Tell mommy papa to give you all paints. There's no harm. You all should use each and every medium. Okay, so we are done with the tint color, and can you see the lovely cutie pie cheeks over here? Yes. Now we don't require pink at all. We do not require a flesh tint at all. Now the hair is scarlet, children, and not a bit of little orange in color. So we are using scarlet and orange color. Now I will just show you where the scarlet color will come. Scarlet color is nothing but the tomato color. Okay, it is the darkest orange, or in a layman's language I can see a dark orange color and a light orange color. That's it. So इधर हमने डार्क ऑरेंज किया. ध्यान से देखना बच्चों, हम लोगों ने जहाँ जहाँ डार्क ऑरेंज किया वहीं आप लोग करना. Don't do it anywhere, because you can do it, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But then when you're following this is a brand, you're understanding, this is a brand. Ariel is a brand. So when you're doing it for the brand, you have to do it according to the colors which are demanded. Now since we do not have turquoise color, so we won't be using our turquoise color, correct? But then we have to be careful when we are using. See, this will be one strand. Okay, now rest of the hair will be plain orange. So the plain orange for the rest of the hair. We quickly do it. So this is one part, this is the other part. You do not have to shade, you just have to plainly do the coloring, okay? You're not supposed to shade it. And then if you want, you can put few star like things in between. That we will see. I have a white pencil, but I don't know whether it's going to write on it or no. I'll just check if it writes. If it does not write, then we might not do it. So you can just put some plus signs. No, it's not writing on this. So let's forget it. We'll do it later on. Oh, we can do it with our oil pastel white. Okay. Now this is lavender in color, children. Lavender means light violet. This is light violet. No shading at all. So the shell part is light violet in color. When you're doing this side, just leave a little bit of white that shows a little shine. That's it. Okay, so the work of lavender is also done. Now since we do not have our what you call turquoise color, so what we will do is use the gray green color for the, and we will use the olive green color here. We do not have turquoise. Turquoise color is a mixture of blues and greens, but since we are not having it, we are using this gray green color here. I do not have it in my box. If you all are having it in your box, please, you all are free to do it. You all are free to use it. So this is the gray green color. This flower is going to be gray green color, and we are going to use the olive green color for the tail. So let's do it. Where's my olive green? Yes, it's here for the tail. See, here also I have kept two shiny lines of white. So you do the borders first. Okay, then you leave one shiny line here and one shiny line here. That's it. Okay, so our machi is done. Machi. Now it is the same green. Actually, we'll use a blue instead here. Wait. Now let us remove a fluorescent yellow color for the machi part. Okay. So this machi is fluorescent yellow in color. After doing the fluorescent yellow, again we can use light blue color for the fins. Okay. Now again check this out. I have left a white spot even in the tail. Okay. Now we will take our violet color, not dark violet, not light violet. We'll take a violet color and start doing the bubbles. And when we do the bubbles, we just have to leave one white spot inside. Okay, we are just taking a turn and leaving a white spot inside. A white spot inside. A white spot here, here and here. Okay, after doing this, we'll go down. पत्थर तो सबको करने आते हैं. What you are supposed to do is black, brown. Okay, so you use your blacks, you use your browns, and you use your light browns or your buff color So these are the 3 colors which we'll use for the पत्थर. So पत्थर का जो C होता है उसको हम लोग फटाफट black कर देते हैं. Now this part can be fast because I know children are expert in making stones now. और वो एक पेपर, एक वो आती थी ना, स्टोन पेपर सीजर, मेरे को एक दिन बनाने का. आई विल मेक स्टोन पेपर सीजर समहाउ. कैसे करके हम बनाते देखते. ओके स्टोन पेपर सीजर. We used to enjoy playing that also. You know, when I am with y'all Chinominus, I remember the days when we used to play. I feel so refreshed. That is why I like to be with children. You know, on 15th of March, yes, I'm going to Juhu Beach to teach few young people there, young at heart. They are about 80 years old children. I'm going there to teach them drawing. I'll make it live if possible on YouTube, or even if I cannot make it live, I'll shoot it and I'll put it on my YouTube channel. Do watch and see the enthusiasm with which these elderly people paint and they draw. They are so jovial. And hum log, we keep on cribbing and crying. We keep on doing that, but then they are so enthusiastic. So if I go, it's 15th of March, I'll be going there early in the morning, 6 o'clock. They are coming with their pencil, rubber, a set of crayons, because they say that they have never ever drawn since 40 years now, and I'm going to teach them. Fun na majja. Okay, so I've used deep green down and I'm pulling it with my light green. This all you all know. So stepwise Arial, I have thought you all easy steps. You know, every time I think I'll do this with some numbers, लेकिन numbers आते नहीं मेरे को, तो वांगड़ू तेंगड़ू. फिर वो numbers के साथ करते ना तो वो थोड़ा सा figure, थोड़ा सा वो ऐसा होता है ना, थोड़ा सा डिसलोकेशन हो जाती है, फिर मज़ा नहीं आता. इसलिए there is simple steps. You all can still do it. I know you all are expertised. So this much is done. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to take our watercolors and paint the background. Okay, so this is my glass with my brush, and I'm going to use green and I'm going to use blues. So get started fast and fast, जितना जल्दी हो सकता है. Yes, and here I'm just going to dab. कहाँ है रे book का starting? Yes, see, I'm going to dab. You remember we had done an aquarium with the same technique, if you all remember. If you have forgotten, it's okay. Even I keep on forgetting things. अभी ग्रीन लिया, उसके अंदर डैब. अभी what we are going to do is, we are not going to see, ग्रीन लिया. डोंट वरी अबाउट दीज बबल्स के अंदर कुछ नहीं जाने वाला. ब्लू और ग्रीन का मिक्सिंग हो जानी चाहिए अच्छे से. येस, नाउ दिस इज द टर्कोइश कलर विच आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सी ग्रीन कलर, करेक्ट. सो इनिशियली वो मिक्सिंग नहीं होता है, फिर बाद में वो मिक्सिंग अच्छे से हो जाता है. तो नेवर माइंड, यू कीप ऑन गोइंग. समवेयर ब्लूज, समवेयर ग्रीन्स, गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, and keep on doing it with the gulls and the pulls and the zooms and the zams. मजा आती है. I love doing all these things. See, now it's become green. Na 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 na. Now I've taken my, now this is the turquoise color, the sea green color, and the red is inside. अभी मैं क्या करने वाली पता है, अभी इसको मैं खींच के नीचे लेकर आती हूँ. ठीक है, ये पार्ट पे हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा कर दिया. Oh, I'll take a little bit of blue. keep on taking water, don't forget water, it is watercolor, so you have to take water, नहीं तो water नाराज हो जाएगा, और नाराज हो गया तो फिर so because the water is not blue, remember that the water is not green, it is green and blue का mixture. So take water, take green, take blue, dip your brush in green, dip your brush in blue, keep going, and then the result will be fantastic. I know exams चालू है, मेरे को कैनवस एंड सिजर्स पे बहुत पुअर रिस्पॉन्स रिली ही, बट इट्स ओके, डू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर एग्जाम्स, अदरवाइज मम्मी पापा बोलेंगे सिर्फ तनु आंटी की ड्राइंग्स बनाते रहते हो, तुम्हारी टीचर इतना बोलती है तुम लोग पढ़ लो पढ़ लो पढ़ लो, पढ़ते नहीं हो, उधर तनु आंटी की ड्राइंग करने के लिए तुम लोग एक्सपर्टाइज्ड हो. सो प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर exams, final exams, and then vacation time. And since it's a vacation time, you know you're going to do a झिंगैट, मज्जा है ना, वो मज्जा आएगी मज्जा. So our mermaid is done, our Ariel mermaid is done. Now what am I going to do? See, now it is sunk inside the water. Now I'm going to put black borders with my, I'll show you the pencil. With my charcoal pencil, I'm going to redo the black parts and then post it. So this will be highlighted. But for that, I need this to dry. Okay. So it will take a little time for it to dry. And after it dries, I'm going to do that and post it on canvas. Not canvas and scissors. Sorry, my YouTube channel, bacha. So bye till then. Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Bye-bye.